Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll share with you the snack ideas that I have for my kids. And it's low budget. Let's start.
Sia and Sai and more. This is my family. Meet my brother Sai. Then I'm Sia. Two inventor cute. Set free. In the Philippines. Like the video. Subscribe. Get notified.
Mix 2 to 3/4 cups flour, 1/3 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Three-fourth cups warm water. Add the 2 1/4 teaspoon yeast. Mix and set aside. With the dry ingredients, add 1 sachet Milo powder. Mix the wet ingredients and the activated yeast. Then add 2 tablespoons of margarine. Mix it well using a spoon or any spatula. Then use our hand to mix it well. After mixing the wet and dry ingredients, add 1 egg. Knead the dough until soft and smooth. Then transfer it in a sealed container. Rest it for 1 hour. After resting, put little flour in the working area. Also, flour the top of the dough so it won't stick to our rolling pin. Flat the dough half to 1 inch thick. Then use a circle cutter to shape our donut. Rest for 20 minutes before frying. Fry the donut until golden brown with low to medium heat, then glaze with sugary syrup. Or decorate any of your flavor you want. Finished product, Milo donut. Sharing is caring. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel.